Hi. So this is the first-hand impression I'm gonna get from Onbi.io. It wasn't specified which 5 pages specifically you'd like me to look at, so I'm just gonna take it from the top and have a look. So Onbi Investments, we are your trust. That's a bit fast. We are your reliable professional trusted, secure, reliable partner on the financial market. I would slow down just a little bit here and maybe change some of the wordings because they're very similar. Um, but other than that, if you slow it down a bit, it works really well. So it's time to take the next step. Either register or log in. So far, some users here have deposited this amount and withdrawn this amount with the rate on total loans started on December 5th. Total accounts featured Onbi dedicated server, strong SSL, protected system, affiliate commission, instant withdrawals, and customer service. All right, I'll just have a look all the way down here. So I don't have time to go through a video. Let's just see how long it is. No, unfortunately, I don't have time to go through the video. Onbi is an investment fund based in Germany focusing on two main areas, cryptocurrency mining and forex trading. We offer advanced profit trends to you. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, just a spelling mistake here. The investment plans. Alright, let's have a look. So daily forever, the plan 1 with a 0.5% what interest? Interest rate 20%. Payment methods. Okay, so I'm not really into investments. I have some stocks and I use a website dedicated to stock trading. And that's kind of my knowledge on the subject. And this makes absolutely zero sense to me. So I know a bit about stock exchange, and this is, okay, so if I take the first one here, I invest between 10 and 100 US dollars for 40 days with an interest rate of 20%. And what is the 0.5%? Let's just see if there's, so 20% after 40 days needs an S. Deposit amount of 100. Nobody knows the daily profit. And the deposit amount didn't change. All right. So the deposit amount stays the same here, 10. The deposit term, 40 days, 0.05 daily profit, a total profit of $2,000. Seems a bit too good to be true. And I just jumped to the top. Yeah, okay. So I can't really use the calculator, I guess, because if I enter something else, it's just gonna not know the daily profit, the deposit is not going to change, and the profit is insane. Oh, now it changes. All right. If I go here, then it works. If I go back to the first one, there's something wrong here. All right, let's just see. So there's also a difference between saying 0.5 here, and then when I went to the calculator, it said 0.05. Um, there's some overlap here in the graphics, not looking all on point. You can make a profit not just by investing. You developed a level system to reward partners for helping us in promoting and attracting investors. Your direct referral will bring you a commission of 6% off the deposit amount. The second level referral attracted by your direct referral brings a 2% reward, and the third level is 1%. So what is this? The second level brings a 2% reward. So is that on top of the 6%? Is that what the 7, 8, and 9 represent? Program, expert program, advanced program? It doesn't really, as I see it, make sense with the numbers over here, with the numbers over here. But that might be my math. That's just haywire. I have to say, I don't get it. I don't understand exactly what this is. Um, you're an investment company, you're the partner on the financial market with dedicated servers and strong SSL. Is that really the focus point for investors, that you have dedicated servers and strong SSL? I mean, this sounds more like something, web hosting would promote, not an investment company. And then the affiliate commission. I get that you need to make money from, affiliation, but is that really a featured USP? I mean, instant withdrawals is awesome. Knowing what it costs to withdraw would be very beneficial. My interest rates would be beneficial to know. What it costs to invest would be beneficial to know. I'm not seeing any of the things that I would usually see when, I'm trading stock, for example, but maybe that's just because I'm simply not knowledgeable in this area. Okay, let's just have a look at the other pages. So we have an investment fund. It's based in Germany, focusing on cryptocurrency and forex trading. You use advanced technologies and advanced algorithms for mining and marketing promotion of the company. We offer the best conditions in the international market for investment and trust management. All right. The terms, okay, so let's just see. I would maybe make it more obvious that I've actually switched sides, because if I'm in a weird resolution, see, I won't even be able to see that I've actually changed sides here. So, or pages, sorry. To become a client and continue to use the services, you should carefully read. All right. So is there a reason why the same first 4 points here are down here written in a different way than up here, and then you've added support and some social media? These are not a lot of terms looking, as far as it being a financial solution goes. This doesn't look legit. I mean, when I sign up for investment pages, they actually have to send me stuff by mail that I need to sign and log in with, crazy kind of with crazy terms, and it doesn't really. This seems like just a quick idea somehow. It doesn't really seem like it's an actual financial solution. I would be more prone to looking into, the having it looking a bit more like a bank to seem more trustworthy. This doesn't seem like something I would invest in. I'm sorry to say. All right. Um, it's completely free to sign up. How can you make money? Just register and create a deposit for our plan. After that, you'll be receiving profits hourly according to the conditions. It just seems too good to be true. I mean, maybe it just is. I don't know. um, so I just give you some money and you give me like 20% back on that money for no obvious reason? Is there no pitfalls? Is there no risk? Um, all right, so time's up, and I've looked over these 10 pages, and I think if I were you, I would focus way more on the investment part, how it works financially, what the terms are, making it at least seem more like a financial sector website. Um, maybe being more upfront as to what it is that you actually provide your clients and customers and visitors. Um, this is super, superficial in some way. It doesn't really say anything, and then you have some statistics that's supposed to bring me comfort that you know exactly what you're doing. However, in the next column or section here, you're talking about servers and SSLs rather than, again, what you're doing, actually doing for your clients. Um, oh, I wish I had time to watch this movie because maybe it would say more. Um, Maybe also just a short introduction to these investment plans here, what it actually means to invest in them, because I mean a total interest of 120% 160%. um, I could quickly find $50,000 if I knew that I would get a return of 160% in 40 days. So yeah, I hope that this was useful to you. Please let me know otherwise. All right, thanks.